Hi, this is Michelle Goldman with ASDI Week 4 reflection video, and we're working with the final project and getting it in Couch and Cloudant. Well, I got some of my functions working. As of this point, they're still not all working, which is pretty disparaging. Um, I was able to get it into Couch and into Cloudant. But still not everything is working, and just not understanding where that piece is that's not functioning. So that's pretty aggravating. So we'll keep working on it and hopefully I'll get it. Oh, where do I start? So many issues. Eclipse would not automatically push anything to Cloudant or to Couch, so I had to do that manually by removing the files and then uploading the files to each database. So that was painful, and not all of my code works, and still have some bugs, and every time I fix one thing, something else seems to not be working. So it's just a frustrating process, which I'm sure you all know and can certainly assimilate with. So can only hope for the best. Well, per usual, went back and referred to all of the information from my previous courses as far as the examples on how to write the code. Used online resources also. Have about another book, I think, since last week. And all of those things, and just a lot of trial and error. And oh yeah, let's not forget patience, because that is definitely a virtue through this process. Hands down, not even a debate. Definitely prefer the iOS simulator, the Android emulator. I mean, just finding it, getting it open, then configuring it. I mean, seriously. I mean, that's obviously, we see the difference here between the two platforms, and it just seems cumbersome and more difficult to work with. Why not just be able to drag and drop your files on there like you can with the Android, with the Apple simulator? That's easy. Okay, so I've got some issues still, but I was able to finally get one of the virtual devices working for the Android emulator. Huge pain trying to figure out which one would actually work. I couldn't even type in my entire URL. It wouldn't accept it, so I finally did get it to come up. So I felt that was a victory. I don't actually have everything working in here, but I do have the form, which is loading. I'll just put in a couple things here. Okay, so I'm able to get to the form and pull that up. I still don't have my icons for my buttons, which I lost last week and haven't been able to get back. I'm not able to get the items to pull up here. All of my other pages are working, which is nice, but my CRUD is not fully functional. And then over here we've got in the Android device, you can see my address up here, and I am able to get to the form. Same issue though. I had a lot of problems. I couldn't get Eclipse to automatically push to either Couch or Cloudant. I had to manually upload everything every time there was a change. It's a very difficult week for me. But again, I mean, all the same features work, and all the same features do not work. So it's very frustrating. And that is my app today.